Hello everyone, today we will be learning about heat and its uses. Sun. This is sun. Sun gives us heat. Let's spell H-E-A-T. Heat. Heat is a form of energy that comes from the sun. Heat makes us feel warm. We cannot see heat, but we can feel it. Now, how can heat from the sun help us? When it rains, puddles of water are formed on the ground. How do water puddles dry up? Water puddles dry up because of the heat coming from the sun. Without the heat from the sun, the ground will always be wet after the rain. Heat from the sun can dry up puddles of water. Heat from the sun can dry up puddles of water. Drying clothes. Why do hang our wet clothes under the sun? Because heat from the sun can dry our clothes. Sun is natural sanitizer. Our clothes smells clean and fresh. Heat from the sun can dry our clothes. Heat from the sun can dry our clothes. Dried foods. Heat from the sun can make dried foods such as the dried fish. Heat from the sun can make dried foods. Rice, meat. Can you imagine eating raw foods? Without heat, we would have eat raw foods which will give us stomachache. Why we get stomachache after eating raw foods? Because raw foods like meat contains bacteria. Bacteria that will cause us stomachache. What will we do? We need to cook it well using heat. Because heat helps to kill bacteria in raw foods. So make sure to eat well-cooked food to avoid stomachache. Now there are things that gives out heat to help us in our daily life. So these are, we have rice cooker. Rice cooker. Rice cooker is helpful to us to cook our rice. Now heat from the rice cooker can cook our rice. Heat from the rice cooker can cook our rice. Next, stove. Stove. We can use this stove to cook our food. Heat from the stove can cook our delicious food. Heat from the stove can cook our delicious food. Stove. Oven. Oven. Oven can help us to bake yummy cookies. Heat from the oven can bake yummy cookies. Heat from the oven can bake yummy cookies. Oven. Toaster bread. This toaster bread helps us toast bread. Heat from the toaster is needed to toast the bread. Heat from the toaster is needed to toast bread. Toaster bread. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. This hair dryer helps us to dry our wet hair. This hair dryer helps us to dry our wet hair. Heat from the hair dryer can dry our hair. Heat from the hair dryer can dry our hair. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. Flat iron. Flat iron is used to flatten the wrinkles in your clothes. The heat from the iron removes wrinkles from clothes. Heat from the iron removes wrinkles from clothes. Flat iron. Flat iron. Look at this picture. How do we keep ourselves warm from winter? We use fireplace. Fireplace used to keep us warm. Heat from the burning fireplace can keep us warm. Heat from the burning place can keep us warm. Fireplace. We can also cook our food using burning firewood, burning coal, and air fryer. Great job, everyone. Now here's a simple challenge for you. Look at the picture. Which of these things gives out heat? All that has been squared are the things gives out heat. Great job. Look at this picture. Which of these can bake us yummy cookies? Great job. If your answer is oven, you are correct. The heat from the oven can bake us yummy cookies. Look at this picture. Which of these can dry wet hair? If your answer is hair dryer, great job, you are correct. Hair dryer can dry our wet hair. The heat coming from the hair dryer can dry our wet hair. Great job, everyone. Now here's the worksheets that you are going to answer at home. First, we have circle yes if the objects below give out heat and no if it isn't. Second, write the letters in the correct circles, the use of each things below. Color the things that gives out heat and cross out the things that doesn't give out heat. Good luck, everyone!